back to my channel, you guys. Today's video is sponsored by AALIWEYA hair. Now, if you guys are caught up with all of my videos, I did do a makeup routine video that did include AALIWEYA hair as well. Now, it's the same unit. This is a 5x5 body wave unit. Now this unit, this is a 24-inch. In the last video, it was a 22-inch. So you guys kind of are able to see like the differences just with the lengths. But the hair is, of course, still beautiful. Again, they sent me the 24-inch 5x5 body wave unit, and it is just as beautiful, just as silky, little bit of yucky, definitely beautiful. I love that the length is definitely longer as well. So if you're not caught up with that video, go ahead and check out my makeup routine video, and you'll be able to see the last unit they sent me, which again is the same unit except it's a 22-inch as opposed to this 24-inch unit. Now, before we jump into this install, you guys, I do want to let you guys know the lip that I have on. This is one of my favorite lips just because it's like neutral. It's an everyday type of lip. I have on the NYX blackberry lip liner, and then I also have on just my regular clear lip gloss. So whenever you want to do something just real simple but still cute on the lips, definitely just do a clear gloss, and you can choose a brown liner, black liner, whichever you choose, however your outfit looks. I usually go off of my outfit, but yes, this is the NYX lip liner. NYX has like the best lip liner. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
into my heart. A place that only us will know, and we can play our parts. What we'll find is special, and it will only be us. A place within the burning sunlight, we can spend our hours embracing one another. We enjoy each other's presence. Don't let me go. I don't ever wanna go solo. Call me, I'm your treasure. I am yours wherever we would go. Where we would go. Baby, follow me, let's head to paradise. I won't let you down, I know that you would like to be utopia, 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 baby. Be utopia, 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 baby.
Remember, couldn't get a 20 from my mom. Now I dropped 20 on the left.
All right, you guys, so I did have fun doing this install. Again, this is my second install with AALIWEYA hair. So doing this unit, y'all, I knew exactly what I was actually gonna do. What I did do different as opposed to the other video is I usually, when I do curl my hair, I just hold the curl with my hand. But what I did differently this time is I decided to use my clips. Like, I have so many clips just sitting in my dresser, and I'm like, why not just use them so it can hold the curl tighter? Because I noticed when I just use my hand, it holds the curl tight, but when I do use the clips, I do notice that it holds the hair and keeps the curls really, really tight. And then I'll also do spray it with my Tresemme spray. I didn't put that in the video because I have so much stuff just laying out right now. I don't even feel like putting any more. I have to put so much stuff up right now. So yeah, I usually do that, pin them up with my clips, and then, you know, spray my Tresemme holding spray just to keep the curls held. So the curls, they hold up really, really good. As far as the lace, you guys, I do think the lace is more transparent. Now, transparent as opposed to HD, it's more of a clearer lace. So with this one, I would definitely suggest that you bleach the knots. If you don't want to bleach the knots and you don't want to take too much time out, for my ladies who are beginners, you could definitely just go ahead and do what I did. Just use some powder or some foundation or whatever you like to use to blend in your lace. Now this is a 5x5, you guys, so a 5x5 is definitely easier to install in general because you don't have much lace to glue down. So you're basically just gluing down the front, and that's basically all you have to do. Now I love doing 5x5s for that reason, because you don't have to do too much. As far as the parting space, you guys, I do love this parting space because it goes about, I would say, 5 inches back. Like, this is really natural. I love the parting space on this unit. It looks so good. It wasn't hard to part this hair at all. Again, I think the way they customized this unit, they made it really, really easy. So this is definitely beginner friendly as far as this unit goes. So again, for my ladies who are beginners, if you're trying to do a wave for the first time, this is definitely the perfect unit for that. As far as baby hairs go, you guys, as you can see, I did lay some baby hairs down in the front. I did do some just a little bit on the sides. Now, as far as a 5x5 goes, you don't have to go too far with baby hairs. You really don't have to do too much. I've grown to really love baby hair, so I do them a little more frequently in my videos. So yes, I did go ahead and lay some down on the sides, and then I also did just a little swoop in the front. Real simple, nothing too hard. But again, if you are a beginner and you don't want to do baby hairs, you definitely don't have to. I think because this is a 5x5, you could definitely just glue this down and then just make sure it's precise to your hairline, because let me tell you guys something, it's so important the way you lay down your wig, because it could be too far back or it could be too far forward. So just make sure when you're doing that it's really, really precise to the hairline, because I found myself having a little bit too much forehead, and my forehead is not even big at all, but it's just the way you lay down the unit. So just be careful with that. As far as the way this wig feels, you guys, this unit is a yucky texture, but also just a touch of silky. Definitely super soft. Again, it's not too silky, only just a touch of silky, and definitely on the yucky side. This unit is definitely natural. I'm telling you guys, I'm putting my hands right through this unit. This unit is so soft. I am not getting any type of tangling, nor am I getting any shedding with this unit. Now just a trick for you guys, if you do decide to curl this hair, you can keep it in its natural state as far as a body wave, but I just wanted just a little bit more volume with the hair, so I did decide to curl it. But if you do decide to curl your hair and you want that extra volume in the front, just do this with your hair, pull it back a little bit, and then ruffle it up in the front, and then you will definitely get those curls in the front. Something I definitely learned to do over time, but it definitely works. Now this unit definitely is 150% density. I do think that this wig is full enough. It's not too thick, not too full. You can definitely wear this through any type of weather. I think this is the perfect unit for that. And then again, this is a 24-inch, so this goes a little bit past my boob. Definitely, I'm short, you guys, so I'm like 5'2.5". I'm always adding that half on there, but yes, I'm 5'2.5". so you know, hair, it's typically long on me. It could be like a 22-inch and it'll still be kind of long. So now this wig will come bulky, you guys, so just to make sure, as soon as you part it, you use your hot comb to get this bulkiness down. I always use one or two things. I use a hair wax stick, or I use spray, or both, just to get the bulkiness down. And again, all you really need is a hot comb to get the wig down. As I'm doing units more and more, I definitely can appreciate no flyaways, because sometimes it's just too much and it gets in the way. Sometimes even when you spray, the flyaways still don't go away. So I can appreciate this unit because it doesn't have any type of flyaways. Also do want to point out to my ladies as well, again, this natural state is a body wave. You can curl it, you can flat iron it, whatever you would like to do, straighten it. You could even do this hair in an updo if you want to. Some of my ladies still don't know that these are human hair units, and you can definitely do anything you want to them. You can dye this hair if you would like. I like my units to be jet black. I don't mind color, but I do love when my units are jet black. It's just like my go-to, and jet black hair goes with anything basically. All in all, you guys, this unit is so beautiful. I had no issues with this unit, and this unit curls very, very well. I know I stated this in the beginning, you guys, but again, this unit does curl really well. I set the heat up to 450 degrees, so this unit takes heat really, really well. And like I stated before, you guys, this is human hair, so you can definitely straighten it, curl it, whatever you want to do, and this unit will do exactly what you need it to do. And I did dye this hair jet black. It comes in a natural brown, so if you're wanting to achieve this look as far as getting that jet black, and you know, I feel like with jet black it really brings out your skin tone, so if you want to achieve this look, definitely dye your hair jet black. Some cases I do dye the hair blue black, but it's gonna come in a natural brown. Natural browns are okay sometimes. Sometimes if I don't get to dye the hair, I leave it as is. But that jet black, it's nothing like it. Like, it just looks even better, and it makes the hair just look 10 times better and just a little bit more silkier. So this will be the end of this video today, you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.